explored Uttarakhand, but my wish is to like have India tour and to like abroad also. I want to explore the whole world. My wish is.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, ma'am. Thank you for asking. Ma'am, we are meeting very fast time, so I would like to know little bit you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So my name is Shweta Kalakoti. Okay. And like I belong from Haldwani, Uttarakhand. And currently I'm living in Delhi and I'm pursuing my master's from Delhi University.
Okay, that's great.
Yes. What do you do?
Ma'am, as you know, my name is Suman Das. I'm from West Bengal, Kullani, and I'm a working professional. I'm doing job in an IT company, and I have around 5 years of experience in this IT field, as well
Okay.
as I'm gradually improving my English skill, and I have a small YouTube channel also. So this
Oh,
is my
YouTube
little
channel as well.
starting.
Okay. Okay. So what content do you post there? What type of content?
Actually, these days I'm uploading dual conversation video on my YouTube channel since
Dual
2020.
conversation. Okay. What does that mean?
It means just like I am talking to you. So
Mm-hmm.
this kind of conversation these days I'm uploading on my YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay. So you are recording this?
No, I'm not recording. I think Clapingo recording this session.
Clapingo is recording. I know that. Like for your YouTube channel, I thought you were
No,
recording this as well.
no, I am not recording this session.
Okay, okay, okay. No issue. I was just asking. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, my first question to you is our topic of the day is foods in restaurants. Okay.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
first question is how often do you eat out? Who do you go with?
Actually, I eat fast food more uh, twice a week or thrice a week.
Mhm.
So that's why I look like a hefty. Uh, Actually, I like so much fast food, man.
Okay, you like so much. Okay. Hmm. Which restaurant do you usually visit? Is the restaurant staff there friendly to you?
No, I did not visit, many times in the restaurant. Actually, I eat
Mhm.
street food.
Street food. Okay. Not the restaurant type. Okay, sure.
Yeah, I have visited last time one restaurant. So that restaurant
Mhm.
nearby my local
Mhm.
uh, area.
Okay, okay. So, where have you had your best and the worst meal?
Actually, last time I had my dinner one restaurant. So that restaurant
Mhm.
name is Takeshori Chinese. So that restaurant situated in not situated in that restaurant located in Kullani ITI Mall. So I had my dinner
Mhm.
from that restaurant.
Okay, okay. Which is your favorite cuisine?
Ma'am, could you tell me cuisine means? I don't know cuisine.
Okay, cuisine, it means the cooking style, okay, of a country or a region. See, if we talk about Italian cuisine, okay, so leave Italian cuisine. You are talking about the Chinese cuisine, okay. So
Okay.
Chinese cuisine consists of what? Manchurian, noodles, Hakka noodles, okay. Then there is momos, dumplings, okay. So that all things is there in Chinese cuisine. If we talk about Italian, so there is pizza, there is pasta. Okay, there is spaghetti. Spaghetti is a subcategory of pasta. So it's the like cooking style of that country. Okay, China has a different. Spanish cuisine is different. And if we talk about Indian cuisine has many sub cuisines like the Bengali
Okay.
cuisine. Okay,
Okay.
like rasgulla. Okay, and there is machi bhat. Machi bhat you guys eat, right?
Actually, how
Yeah.
did you know I'm a Bengali? I want to know from you because I did not mention here I'm a Bengali. Mm,
You have told me, like in your introduction.
Okay, yeah, I told you I'm from West Bengal, so that's why you
Ah,
got to know from my introduction. You are a Bengali,
yes,
Mr. Suman Das. Yes,
yes,
yes, ma'am.
yes. Plus your like in your what do we say pronunciation?
Yeah,
There is a Bengali touch.
even today I ate fish also
Ah,
for lunch.
so this all comes under Bengali cuisine.
Cuisine.
Okay, okay. So like India itself, like other countries have a like a what do we say? Collectively one dish. Okay, like Italians have pasta. Okay, but India is the only one country where it has like many different sub cuisines. Like
Okay,
North Indian
cuisine
cuisine.
means dishes. Ma'am, cuisine means dishes.
Yes, yes. It's the like the cooking style we can say. Yeah, dishes. Okay, it comes
Okay.
under the cuisine. Okay, so like South Indian is different, North Indian, Northeast, Eastern cuisine is different. So it's all cuisine. So yeah, which is your favorite cuisine?
Actually, ma'am, I like Bengali foods as well as I like also Chinese food because Chinese food it's so delicious, so yummy. So sometimes I
Okay,
also eat Chinese food.
Chinese food, Bengali and Chinese. All right.
Yes. So,
Okay.
ma'am, have you ever been to any abroad countries? After that, you took any dishes, you just like Chinese dishes or uh, Italian dishes?
I don't get you. Please, like, pardon.
I was asking you, ma'am, have
Mhm.
you ever been to any abroad countries and after that you had any cuisines, Italian cuisine or
Okay. I have never
Chinese
been
cuisine?
like out of India. I have not explored India like wholly. Uh, I
Okay.
you are talking about abroad. No, I never like been to abroad. I have never been to abroad.
So,
Like
have
out.
you ever been to Darjeeling, Sikkim,
Uh,
Manali? Have you ever been?
I have not
Okay,
explored my state fully, wholly. Like
okay, I got it.
Uttarakhand
Ma'am,
is,
do you
huh, yeah.
you wanted to say something? Please tell me, Uttarakhand.
Like Uttarakhand itself is very beautiful, and there are many tourist places there. And I have not completely explored Uttarakhand, but my wish is to like have India tour and to um like abroad also. I want to explore the whole world. My wish is that.
Okay, okay, that's great. Actually,
Yes.
I went to Darjeeling and after
Hmm.
that I ate Papping Hot Momos. So, did you eat Papping Hot Momos ever?
No, no. It's I had momos, but I did not have a pepping hot momos. Is it different from regular momos?
Ma'am, Papping Hot Momos means just like Garma Garam Momos. I hope
Okay,
you
pepping
ate
hot.
hot momos. Yes. Papping Hot means Garma Garam, isn't
Okay,
it?
okay, garma garma.
Yes.
Okay, I never had that.
Okay. Ma'am, are you vegetarian
Okay,
or non-vegetarian?
I am vegetarian.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So, do you like to eat home cooked food more or restaurant food?
Obviously, ma'am, I like restaurant foods because they also use different kind of ingredient while cooking. So
Okay.
restaurant foods always better than home cook.
You like restaurant. Okay. Okay. So next is do you like to cook? Why or why not?
No, ma'am, actually, I don't like cook food because it's very difficult for me. Actually, my
Mhm.
mother admitted by hospital, so that time I cooked uh, food at my
Hmm.
home 2 to 3 days. So
Hmm.
my hand was burned while cooking. I could
Okay.
not handle, uh,
Hmm.
when when I drain, rice water. When
Hmm.
I drain rice water, so that time, water fell down, and after that, few water touch on my hand. So later on,
Oh,
my hand burned. Then I
got burned.
went got burned.
Yes, got burned.
Okay, okay, yes. So that's why I have decided I will not cook never ever in future.
Okay, okay. So you are waiting for your wife to cook for you.
Yes, as well as my mother also.
Okay. So your mother is okay now, or
Yeah, yeah,
she's
she's okay. She's okay. She's
okay?
okay right now. And I'm a single. So my
Okay.
parents are searching girl for my elder brothers, and after that they will search girl for me.
Okay. Okay. So, okay. Mm, okay. So you said one sentence. My mother was admitted by the hospital, right?
Uh, yeah, but that sentence was maybe wrong. My
Yes.
mother uh,
Was
admitted in hospital.
was admitted in the hospital.
Hospital.
See, was is very important in this sentence because it will indicate that it is a past sentence. Okay, some incident that happened in the past and you are discussing it now. So you will use was. Okay, my mother was admitted to the hospital or in the hospital. You can say either of them. Okay. Next is what do you like to cook the most? What ingredients do you need to cook this dish? And what is the recipe?
Actually, I only like to cook Maggie. Otherwise,
Maggi.
I cannot cook
Mhm.
any food. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Uh, okay. Which is the most delicious dish cooked by you?
Uh, Ma'am, I told you I don't know how to cook food. So without Maggie, I cannot cook any single foods. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, other than Maggie. Okay, and if your wife comes and she says that I also don't like cooking and I don't know how to cook, so what you will do?
I'll call restaurant and then I will order food from restaurant because
Okay, okay,
maybe
daily.
I'll not have any option. Not daily.
Huh,
Actually, if my future wife come
huh.
in my home, then I'll talk to her. You should talk to my mother. My mother will teach you how to cook food, and definitely within 1 month or fortnight,
Hmm.
you can easily learn how to cook food.
Okay, okay, nice. Mm,
Ma'am, do you like South Indian foods? Have you ate
yes,
South Indian food?
yes, yes. My mother is pro at making South Indian foods. Okay, so actually, my mother was born and brought up in Odisha. No, born in Uttarakhand, Almora, but brought up in Odisha because my maternal grandfather used to work there in steel plant. So
Okay.
yes, so she is grown up between Bengalis and Odias. So yeah, so she knows every South Indian dish. She can cook idlis, she can cook dosa, she can cook sambar, chutney, nariyal chutney. She knows everything. So I have always loved South Indian cuisine. It's my favorite.
I think you know little bit Bengali because West Bengal nearby Jharkhand, Odisha.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
your mom and you know little bit Bengali
I
or
don't
not?
know, but my mom knows. My mom knows Odia as well as Bengali.
And you know Odia? Because your mom know Oriya. Okay, you know only
She
Hindi.
never she never talked to me in Odia. So hmm,
And you born and brought up in Uttarakhand. So
Uttarakhand.
that's why.
Yes. Hmm.
That's why your mother tongue Hindi.
Yeah, yes. So my mother, like more than Kumaoni, our regional language is Kumaoni. More than Kumaoni, my mother, yes, Kumaoni.
Okay.
Our regional language. Okay. So my mother, like she's more fluent in Odia, and like she knows Bengali as well. So yeah.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's great.
Yes. Okay. Uh, do you like to eat spicy food?
Yeah, I like actually I like so much spicy food. So that's why last week actually I went to medical shop because these days
Mm.
I'm gaining weight. So that's why doctor suggested me, Suman Das, don't eat so much junk food, as well as you have to eat only vegetables. Don't take non-veg foods. But
Mm.
what should I do? I'm a Bengali. I like fish, but
Yeah.
day by day I'm trying to eat veg,
Okay.
and
Is
I like pasta, chow mein. So yes, so many
okay.
spicy foods I like.
Okay. Is there any food that you don't like?